For decades, the automotive industry has been adapting to change and adjusting its working environment to incorporate new technologies and innovations, such as automation and advances in robotics. But today, several new and developing technologies look poised to have a profound impact on how automobiles are designed and produced. And this could mean big changes for the automotive working environment of the future. For example, robotics, supporting devices, handhelds, exoskeletons, wearables, or even implants that help employees get the job done in some way. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, the Internet of Things, and of course, artificial intelligence. As we gain a deeper understanding of these technologies and their likely future development, we can begin to measure their potential impact. So, how disruptive will these technologies actually be? Strategy and PwC's strategy team conducted an in-depth study in collaboration with the University of Aachen, looking into the future of the automotive environment, mapping in detail how it is likely to change between now and 2030. The study drew on 4 data sources: in-depth interviews with international experts in the automotive sector, a survey of scientists and industry experts, a thorough review of relevant literature, and the development of a proprietary predictive model, taking all of the data into account. It's clear from the study that the working environment of the future will be substantially different from today's. For example, Strategy and anticipates a general shift from operational job profiles to more technology-driven job profiles. There will be an increasing need for hybrid experts with a blend of traditional and tech skills, especially programming. Several human skills will still be required, especially creativity, social skills, and taking responsibility. Teamwork will become increasingly important to ensure a mix of traditional and emerging technology skills. As the pace of change increases, we predict that hierarchies will become flatter than they are today. Reverse mentoring will increase in importance, as managers will need to learn crucial skills from younger digital natives. And organizations will have to find ways to be more agile in their ways of working, as they will need to adapt quickly to change. While these broad conclusions are clear, the way in which they will roll out across the world is likely to be subject to some important regional variations. For example, in the US, we anticipate many of the changes will be implemented faster, due to flexible hire and fire policies and lenient regulations on new technologies. In Germany, despite an abundance of expertise, implementation will likely be slower, due to a strong labor union influence and very strict health and safety regulations. In China, there is less pressure to replace human workers with robots, as labor costs are still relatively low compared to Germany and the US. However, the implementation could still move more quickly due to limited legal restrictions and a high level of acceptance on technological solutions. An exciting feature of this research has been the development of a proprietary predictive model. The tool is fully customizable and, with the right data set, can empower individual automotive companies with a detailed understanding of their own working environment's potential evolution and what job profiles will be needed. Looking at the general data, our model predicts that the demand for traditional production operators will decline by more than half by 2030, whereas the need for data engineers will increase by around 80% in the same time period. What should employers and employees do to prepare? To succeed in the future, employers will need to build capabilities for the future. This will mean a combination of empowering the workforce, hiring new talent, and retaining and retraining existing talent. Compete digitally. Stay up to date with technological change and collect as much data as possible. Data will actually be a key competitive advantage, as much of the relevant code will be freely available. Be agile. Flat hierarchies and flexible processes will be a key success factor. Employees, on the other hand, will need to embrace human skills. Creativity, social skills, and taking responsibility will continue to be highly sought-after skills in the future. At the same time, employees should build technical skills and stay versatile. Digital transformation is a marathon, not a sprint. Employees should keep an open mind to change and stay up to date with the latest trends. The companies and individuals who embrace the technological changes ahead and who have their eyes open to the future will be the ones most successful at navigating the new automotive working environment and who will make the most of the many opportunities it will offer. Strategy and create strategy that works.